Serving Nashville and Williamson County, Grassland Plumbing is your remodeling specialist. We offer energy-efficient, environmentally friendly, green plumbing services for residential and commercial projects. Fully licensed, insured, and bonded. We provide backhoe services, water and sewer line installation and repair, fixture repair and replacement, and tankless and traditional water heater service. Owner Wayne Howell is a licensed master plumber with over 30 years of industry experience and is the founder of a successful community outreach program. Call us today at 615-794-5287 or visit grasslandplumbinginc.com.